Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. Our unmoving awareness abides in what is happy. We use the sound of the magical word pra, within a self-luminescence that is beyond thought and action, so that whatever we understand has the special quality of a total understanding. We use a wheel of commentary on language and meaning to spin for the sake of supreme self-luminescence. This is a meaning that is beyond any presence of letters. We use the sounds of teachings that are beyond discussion to understand. As for the ocean of teachings that are beyond sound, all of them surround us and bring us together. There is something special about renouncing a mean attitude. This is how sounds unite with meanings. We use the wheel that is an awareness of mindful understanding to surround everyone and overthrow them in their own dominions. This is a door that is exemplified. We use Upadesha instructions that are in the Prakrit language so that we are given to understand what the degree of the heat of our certainty may be. From the mouths of our gurus, as for the awareness that meets with words and signs, we meet with a sign for the non-conceptual. We know and understand. Luminous wisdom is connected to everyone. We experience the meaning of the heart essence of wisdom. We are aware, but if we do not find any certainty, we are like drawings on the water. In our lack of understanding, we give power to others, and just as soon as that happens, we transform into non-existence. It is just like seeing gold on gold. We find certainty and are beyond doubting. Just so, we use an intellect that is sure of the meaning. Our lack of delusion is a meaning that is sure. We meet with symbols. We are endowed with resolve. We use causes and results, for without them we would not come to be. We use the way of studying these things to teach. We experience thusness. This is not a stage. These are true words that are sure and do not deceive. The meaning of the resolve by which we teach the unmoving is that thusness is the degree of the warmth of our certainty. This is to be understood by pleasing our Guru.